This question was asked in 2023. In the first impression, it might look confusing, very confusing. What they have given is a battery is connected. The A1 reading is 1 ampere. This one is 1 ampere. And the resistance are given. They have asked some question. Question 1 is, what is the relationship between 1 and 3? Can you guess it is? Here is A1, there is A3. Okay, these two are in series and current is the same across the series. So, answer is A1 equal to A3. So, answer is A1, the relationship A1 and A3, use this one and A3 is
because they are connected.
That's the answer. Now, second one. So, this one A1 equal to A2. Second one. What is the relationship between the readings of A2 and A3? So, where's A2? Here. And where's A3? Here. Now, if you observe, this A3 gets current from this circuit, from this circuit, from this and from this. Okay, there are total 4. So, A2 equal to 1 by 4 A3. That's the answer. So, second answer, A2 equal to 1 by 4 A3 as. Now, let's see the third question. Determine the reading of the voltmeter V1. So, here's V1. Okay. Now, what values we have for V1? We have, I'm going to write over this area. We have two resistance of 3 ohm and we have I equal to 1 ampere. Okay. From this, we need to find the voltage. So, can you guess which formula? It's very easy. V equal to I R. That's, but before that we need to get the value of R. So now here these are in parallel. 1 by R in parallel equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That's equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That's 2 by 3. That's the value of 1 by Rp. Okay. So, let's take the reciprocal. We get 3 by 2 equal to resistance in parallel. Okay. So, our value is 3 by 2. Now, we will put this information V equal to IR formula and V will be V equal to 3 by 2, that's the R value, into I, that's 1, and what is 3 by 2? 1.5 volt. So, V1 equal to 1.5 volt. Yeah. So, that's the answer or third answer. So, for this question, determine the value of V1, that's 1.5 volt. Okay, so here they are asking find the total resistance of the circuit. So, for that we need to find the total resistance of this one, which we found already, 1.5, then again this one and then again this one. So, and these are in also parallel. So, we will call it RP1, RP2, RP3. RP1 we already found out equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5 we can say. Now, RP2, again let's apply the formula. 1 by RP2 equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, these three. Now, since these are all 3, we can write that 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that's equal to 3 by 3, that's equal to 1. So, RP2 will be 1 by RP2. And if you take reciprocal, then also So Rp2 equal to 1. We need 4 by 3. Simply like this, we add one more in that. One like this, we'll do plus 1 by 3 again, like that. So 4 by 3. Now let's take reciprocal and we get Rp3 equal to 3 by 4. So Rp3 means third in the parallel equal to 3 by 4. But keep one thing in mind, this Rp1, this Rp2 and this Rp3, these are all connected in series, so we need to add them because what's the series formula? The total in series equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 and so on. So let's use that value. So total in series equal to what is S1? Series 1 is 3 by 2 plus we got 1. Now this one I will write 2 by 2 just to do it faster plus 3 by 4. Now let's do the LCM into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We got 6 plus 4 plus 3 by 4. So 13 by 4. So total equal to 13 by 4, that's equal to 3.25 ohm. So the third answer is for this one 3.25 ohm. So that's the answer.
Wow!
By the way, friends, if you forget to subscribe Best Classes channel, then you can search on YouTube at best.pandeysir. Till the next time, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and best of study. And don't forget the famous phrase of Pandey sir, push past your limits.